Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of NFTs and blockchain. If you've been hearing about these terms and wondering what they're all about, you're in the right place. This is your beginner's guide to NFTs and blockchain. Let's get started. First things first, what are NFTs? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. In simpler terms, these are unique digital assets that are stored on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs represent ownership of a specific item, whether it's digital art, music, videos, or even virtual real estate. Before we continue, I want to emphasize that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this video should not be considered financial or investment advice. The NFT and blockchain space is vast, and it's crucial to gain a comprehensive understanding before making any decisions. I strongly encourage you to do your own research, explore different sources of information, and watch videos from various content creators to get a well-rounded view. Cryptocurrency and NFT markets can be dynamic, and it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments. Remember that every investment carries risks, and the digital asset space is no exception. Be aware of the potential pitfalls and consider consulting with a financial professional if needed. Lastly, please be cautious and thoughtful in your actions. Take the time to understand both the positive and negative aspects of the topics discussed. I'm not responsible for any actions you take based on the information provided in this video. Now let's continue our educational exploration of NFTs and blockchain. Now let's talk about the backbone of NFTs, blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized and secure digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each block contains a list of transactions, and these blocks are linked together, creating a chain. This technology ensures transparency, security, and immutability. So, how do NFTs work? Well, when someone creates an NFT, it's minted on the blockchain. This process involves verifying the uniqueness and ownership of the digital asset. Once minted, the NFT can be bought, sold, and traded on various online marketplaces. The ownership and transaction history are recorded on the blockchain, providing a transparent and verifiable provenance. There are several blockchains that support NFTs, with Ethereum being the most popular. Other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Flow are gaining traction too. Each blockchain has its own features and benefits, so it's essential to choose the one that suits your needs. Now that you have a basic understanding, let's talk about how you can get started with NFTs. First, you'll need a digital wallet to store and manage your NFTs. There are various wallets available, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Choose one that's compatible with the blockchain you want to use. Once you have your wallet set up, you can start exploring NFT marketplaces. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable allow you to buy, sell, and even create your own NFTs. Remember to do your research and verify the legitimacy of the marketplace before making any transactions. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for beginners. Educate yourself, start with a small investment, and be cautious of scams. The NFT space is exciting, but it's essential to navigate it wisely. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to NFTs and blockchain. I hope this video has been helpful in demystifying these concepts. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.